Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video will going to be my first tutorial video, and I'm going to start by Python and print syntax. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, we back. uh, so this video will going to be my first tutorial video, and uh, so uh, because this is my first video of tutorial, I'm going to start by showing you how the print syntax is work, and what how can we use it, uh, and how can you know avoid error. And I don't know, I know maybe this video is not more interesting because it just print text. If you are some code before, I mean this will be for beginner, very beginner. uh, I also in the future I'm going to uh, the more video I post, I will going to start posting some advanced coding. I mean specifically in the future I'm going to start posting machine learning related projects, and also some useful coding projects also. So in today's video I just started by print, so let's start it. So to use print, we just have to write the print, and then after we did that we have to enter bracket, and then as you can see here, the Python is automatic. The Visual Studio that I'm currently using are automatically create another bracket, and that makes us very efficient, and it will help us to write fast. And then after we did that, in order to print out something in the terminal, we have to put the value here. And for today's video, I'm not going to tell you how the variables work, but I will going to for this specific topic I'm going to make another video for the future, in the future. So but in today's video I'm going to show you how can we are print out in the terminal strings or texts, some characters, and I'll show you now. In order to print out strings or text, we need to surround the text or the string by quotation mark or single quotation mark. We can use this quotation mark, also we can use this single quotation mark, and then we can write it down what we are wanted to put in the to print in the terminal window. So let's say hi. If we do that, and then in order to run this code, we can go here, and then as you can see here, some play button. This looks like play button, and then we can run it. And then here, as you can see here, it printed out hi. And then that's how the prints work. And then to avoid errors, we must not forget, maybe if we forget in the finish line, and then if we try to run the code, we get syntax error. So I hope this is makes sense. And then this is we can also we cannot use the first one single quotation mark, and the second one quotation mark, or first quotation mark, and then the second single quotation mark. So we can only use the same types of quotation mark. Also, maybe you can get error if you are not spelling the printer, and that's all about it. And in the next video I'm going to continue with how can we create a variable, and then how can we print out that variable by using print syntax. I know my English are my speaking levels are bad, but that's how the prints work. And I see you guys in the other video. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment. And goodbye.